Hello po, maligayang kaarawan po, Ate Maduna. Ang hiling ko po sa inyo ay bigyan ko po kayo ng mahabang buhay ng ating Panginoong Hesus at lahat po ng kahilingan niyo po ay matupad po. At lagi po tayo nahihirapan ako, nabubulol ako magtagalog po ate. Pasensya na. Yun lang po talaga ang masasabi ko po. Maligayang kaarawan po, Ate Maduna.
Hi, Ate Maduna. Happy birthday. I wish I'm birthday. Tagaan mo yung panlawas. More birthdays to come. Stay pretty. Stay as you are. Once again, happy birthday. I miss you. Love you. Hi, Ate Dons. Happy birthday. Nanta magkita na tapo ko. Nantag mahumanan yung COVID Ate Dons. Kaya magkita ta. Kasi nakaipapansit diha. Beke naman.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, sis Malditang mapait. Wish you more birthday to come and good health always. Stay as you are and thank you for being a good friend. And good luck sa yung channel and more blessings to come. I love you, I love you, I love you.
Ayan, sisi ko, happy birthday, sis. I love you and I wish ko sa'yo na always a good health and always be strong whatever the trials comes to you. And sana always happy and nagpapasalamat ako kasi nakilala ko kayo. Nakilala kita, syempre. And yun lang. Yung gift, ma'am, ano na lang soon yung gift. Malalaman mo yun. Syempre, hindi mawawala yun. May gift ako sa'yo, ha? Yun lang. And, sana magkita tayo soon. Magkita tayo lahat. Team Banana. Kitang-kita yung sisi ko. And, God bless you. God bless you, sisi ko. God bless you. And, love you.
Hello, sis Maldita. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. And more powers, good health. Happy birthday. See ya.
Hello, sis Maldits. I just want to say happy birthday to you in this very special day of yours. And keep smiling and stay pretty. And I wish you get also the 1,000 subscribers this month para sabay-sabay na tayong rumampa sa mundo ni Lulu YT. So, keep smiling, Sisi, and be happy. This is Eve from Team Banana. Happy birthday once again. God bless you. Thank you.
Hi guys! Hi ate! Hi Ate Maduna! Good morning! Ate, happy birthday! I wish you a good health. May your dreams come true. May God bless your heart's desire. And good luck. May you success in YouTube. Okay, Ate, thank you so much, Ate, for everything. I know sometimes we have an understanding, but it's fine. Because if these things, kung hindi itong bagay na itong Tagalog muna, kung hindi itong bagay na ito kung hindi mangyayari itong bagay na ito na minsan yung mga misunderstanding, it means we are not normal. Yeah? You agree with that? Okay, Ate, thank you so much for everything. And I'm still here for you. And what? Stay connected. Parang YouTube lang, stay connected. Okay, Ate, thank you so much. That's it. And I love you. And good luck. Bye, ate. Bye.
Hi inahan, happy birthday. Salamat sa iyo, aming mahal na inahan. Kami tinanggap mo at pinatuloy. Kami ay narito sa oras na ito upang batiin ka sa iyong kaarawan. Hindi makaya ng makapagkaloob, mamahaling regalo, pagkat kami dukha. Ang tanging alay namin sa iyo, aming inahan, sariwang bulaklak at mga awitin, punong-puno ng damdamin at alaala, magpakailan paman.
A happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Take these roses.
Hi, Ate Madonna. Happy birthday. I wish ang birthday, tagaan mo yung panlawas. More birthdays to come. Stay pretty. Stay assured. Once again, happy birthday. I wish you love you.
Hi Ate Dons, happy birthday. Nanta magkita na tapo ko. Nantag mahumanan yung COVID Ate Dons, kaya magkita ta. Basi na kay papansit diha, beke naman.